Are you having trouble communicating with someone you love living with dementia? Are you looking for help, resources, and hope? Then click the link below and continue watching the video to see how you can become a student of Sundance University.
Today, we're really going to be talking about, looking at the strengths and the abilities of each of our loved ones. And we've asked Jeanette to speak a little bit about her journey with her husband through his disease process, share a little bit about, some of the skill sets that he had prior to the diagnosis, and then how she's able to continue to navigate through the disease and still find things that are purposeful, strength-based, and allow him to still, do things on his own.
Well, I'm Jeanette, and my husband has been in Sundance a little over a year. He was a person whose every move produced a result. He did not know the meaning of procrastinate. His background was first a farmer, and then he had his own business, and his longest career was as civil structural engineer. So that's his mindset. He likes to build things and construct things. When he finished school, he didn't have anything to do in the evening, no more homework, and so he decided he would learn to make a basket. And the one on the left, the one with no color, is the first one he made. It's fairly round. It doesn't sit flat, and it went from there. And he started with, what if I made one that could sit flat? And then what if I made one with some color? Does it have to be round? Does it have to be functional? So he would draw his basket construction on graph paper. Then he turned it into a piece of art, and the art became the career. In between those two, he did this. He planned the form, he picked the colors, and the design happened as the design happened. And someone said, why did you put green up there? And he said there wasn't any. So his mindset was as a structural engineer and as an artist.
Trauma is the body's response to events, repetitive adversity, toxic stress.
These have to be the same feelings that they must experience. The difference is that our brain isn't going through the same disease process that theirs is. So we're still able to find coping mechanisms ourselves. We're still able to seek out that help that we may need if we're struggling. Our residents, oftentimes, all of this is just creating a lot more confusion or fear, and we may see them act in different various ways to be able to express what they're internally feeling.
When residents have the capacity and the support in the environment to maintain the routines that make them feel comfortable, then that's what home feels like once again. So we always say these are little things that are big things. Okay, it's those little things in life that make us feel secure and at home.
This was the next function of the environment, was it tells the residents how to use the environment. So these are just a few signs that I got from the different communities. So this is the sign for the restroom, please enter. You can see distinct contrast between, the door and the sign, because again, they may just pass right by it and not even see it.
And when you have a group of people waiting for you, when you are going to be leading the exercises, it's something beyond yourself. We're at our best as persons when we're doing for others. Okay, that is when we feel best about ourselves. That is when we have real meaning in our lives. And That is such a powerful reason to get up, to get dressed, to get out of bed. You get out of bed because you have something to do.